How to add friends to my Disney experience. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Disney Experience is already installed on your device. If not, you can easily get it from your App Store or the Play Store. Once that's been installed, open the app. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this home page. Now what you want to do is click on this 3 horizontal line at the bottom right corner and then head over to Family and Friends list. It will show you all the list of the people that you are friends on Disney Experience. Slide all the way to the top of the page. Now in order to add more friends, click on Add a Guest. It says how will you add this guest. You can choose whichever method that you want to. Let me select I will enter this name and age. Now you will have to fill up some of the information that is given here. Once you are done filling up all of the information, click on Add Guest at the bottom. And then it will show you the profile of the person that you have just searched. After that, you will be able to add them and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can add friends on Disney Experience. Make sure to smash the like button and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.